Hello everybody, TheClassyCuber here, and today we have a quick unboxing from I don't know where. I have a package from 51 More Fun, but this sounds like it has like a DIY or something in there, and I did not order a DIY, so I am very confused. But let's go ahead and get right into this. So with this opened up, I can tell where this is from. So I thought this was just from 51 More Fun, and actually I had placed 2 orders from Fast Tech recently, and Fast Tech I thought it would be pretty slow shipping, but in fact it was very fast. So in here we have an invoice, a 54.6mm Fangshi Shuang Run black and white caps, and the Shengshou Aurora. That is all in the package. So first I got the Shengshou Aurora in black. Let's open this up. First thing we see is a little Shengshou pamphlet, not going to go into that. And here is the Shengshou Aurora. Here's my Shengshou Wind, and this is definitely smaller. Shengshou Aurora is definitely smaller than the 57mm Shengshou Wind. So first turns here, T-perm. Middle layers are pretty good. Definitely feels a lot better than the Shengshou Wind did right out of the box. Let's take a look at these pieces quick. So yeah, the pieces look very similar to the Shengshou Wind and like a V-Cube 3. But yeah, turning is very smooth. It does not have near as many lockups just from the couple algorithms I've done compared to the Shengshou Wind. And yeah, that's all for the Shengshou Aurora. Next we have the black and white Fangshi Shuang Run. This is like a little smaller than the regular Fangshi, and I've heard it turns better, so I just decided to try it out and get one. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. We have a Shengshou Aurora and a 54.6 black and white Fangshi. So that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing from fasttech.com, if I haven't mentioned that already. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really like and a comment down below. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right in the face. I really appreciate that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.